What if you could buy your freedom? You invest once in a program that's an online business, training, and the supportive community all in one. That allows you to earn an income online, keep 100% profit, and you only spend about 2 hours a day on income earning activities. That gives you 22 hours a day to do whatever you want. That's how you buy your freedom. And this isn't a get rich quick fix. You still have to put in a few focus hours, but it's on your terms, your time. And if you don't know me, I'm Brenda, a mom of a really busy 7-year-old boy who got tired of working 8 to 5 every single day and having zero time for my family. And yet, we still didn't have enough money, and I needed an income to replace my job. That's when I started my own online business. And if that's something you want to know more about, just comment info down below and let me help you get your freedom back. Make sure to follow me and have a lovely day.